Skilla. Enhancing Careers. Chapter 9. Careers in Surface Transportation. The transportation and warehousing industry employed 14.9 million people, about 10.2% of the United States workforce. The global transportation industry is anticipated to grow at a rate of 3.4% through 2027. Not all transportation jobs require a degree. For example, you can become a commercial trucker with a high school diploma. You need to meet other criteria, like having a commercial driver's license, CDL, passing a background check, and having a clean driving record, but you can skip the 4-year grind at college. Popular transportation employers include logistics and shipping companies like FedEx, DHL, and UPS, and freight companies like Schneider. However, you can search jobs beyond logistics companies. A transportation career is also possible in government. Government agencies like the Department of Transportation hire for transportation roles, like transportation planners and transportation engineers. The healthcare industry also needs transportation. For example, emergency services need to send ambulances to people in need, and medical labs need to send medical samples to and from doctors' offices, hospitals, and research facilities. The transportation industry offers various entry-level job opportunities for fresh college grads with various skills and interests. Transportation Manager. A transportation manager works to create, manage and maintain productive transportation for the flow of goods throughout the production cycle. They can inspect and maintain vehicles used to transport goods to ensure deliveries are safe for employees and inventory. They oversee the employees and track shipments and ensure their timely arrival. Duties of transportation manager include: execute daily operations in the form of route monitoring, carrier and vendor outreach, and problem solving for a rapidly growing network. Continual, tactical communication with external customers, vendors, carriers, and internal customers, retail, finance, delivery stations, sort centers. Lead initiatives to re-engineer business processes and identify and eliminate root causes of defects in order to drive efficiency in transport operations. Work within various time constraints to meet critical business needs, while measuring and identifying activities performed and ensuring service requirements are met. Data management and data quality control experience with experience pulling and analyzing large sets of data. Demonstrated experience using data to drive root cause elimination and process improvement. Fleet Manager. Fleet managers work to purchase and maintain vehicles used to distribute goods in logistics. They can manage a team of other employees to complete their transportation management duties. Fleet managers can maintain records and reports about the registration and maintenance of their vehicles. Industrial truck and tractor operators. Duties include operating industrial trucks or tractors equipped to move materials around a warehouse, storage yard, factory, construction site, or similar location. Light truck drivers. Duties include driving a light vehicle, such as a truck or van, primarily to pick up merchandise or packages from a distribution center and deliver. May load and unload vehicle. Shuttle drivers and chauffeurs. Duties include driving a motor vehicle to transport passengers on a planned or scheduled basis. May collect a fare. Includes non-emergency medical transporters and hearse drivers. Freight loaders and material movers. Primary duty includes manually moving freight, stock, luggage, or other materials, or perform other general labor. Includes all manual laborers not elsewhere classified. Transportation Planner. Transportation planners help design, evaluate, and implement a city's, country's, or state's transportation infrastructure, such as roads and subways. To optimize planning, they must consider factors from land use to environmental impact. Bachelor's degree in civil engineering, urban planning, environmental science, geography, or similar. Freight broker. Freight brokers serve as a point of contact between shipping and logistics companies and customers who need goods transported. They help match customers with freight carriers and book and manage orders. Supply chain analyst. Supply chain analysts collect supply chain data and examine it, looking for ways to improve efficiency and reduce costs. They may also oversee the implementation of suggested changes, working with logistics and supply chain teams. Bachelor's degree in business analytics, mathematics, or logistics. Transportation engineer. Transportation engineers are a type of civil engineer. They design highways, railways, airports, and similar infrastructure. They might find fitting job alerts through government agencies, engineering firms, or consultancies. Bachelor's degree in civil engineering. Dispatcher. Dispatchers are responsible for managing requests for transportation and sending emergency or non-emergency transport vehicles as needed. For example, they may work for emergency services, towing companies, or for hired driving companies. Customer service representative. Customer service representatives are on the front lines of the transportation industry, serving as a liaison between transport providers and customers. They may work for shipping or logistics providers. Load planner. Load planners oversee the freight transportation process, ensuring optimal use of resources and maximizing efficiency. They also make sure relevant logistics safety standards are upheld. Fleet coordinator. Fleet coordinators oversee vehicle fleets and their teams, like drivers and mechanics. Their job is to coordinate fleet operations, for example, by assigning drivers to deliveries. They also make sure vehicles are maintained in line with safety standards. Logistics operations specialist. Logistics operations specialists help streamline logistics processes by coordinating multiple teams, including operations, administration, and sales. They also act as a point of contact between partner carriers, shippers, and customers.